Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Welcome to this month's Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lam Phang station to the shiny new Bang Su station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Su station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground-level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground-level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town. I'm happily settled into life in Barcelona now, and I'm hosting my second overseas friend and preparing for the third. I'm now getting ready for my trip to America to upgrade the battery pack in my electric Porsche 914 for its final destination home with me in Barcelona. You'll see a string of videos here in my channel showing the planning and build of all of the changes to the car, and I'm pretty excited about getting it on the road again after 10 years. As we're getting so close to the completion of the train project in Hua Hin, highlights this month are limited to the almost finished expansion of Soi 70 to the west of the train tracks, the continuing progress on the station, and the decking of the overpasses in Khao Tao are almost complete. First up in the news, the Thai Train Guide on Facebook posted about a deal for more used Japanese train cars to the total of just over 49 million baht. Next we have a couple of train incidents posted by Krung Thep Apiwat Central Terminal on Facebook, starting with the derailment of a freight train carrying concrete blocks, then moving on to the tragic story of workers hauling fish in a pickup truck driving in front of a train at 2:20 a.m., killing 8 people and injuring 4 more. Folks, I'm tired of posting these. Let's get some driver training on the streets. Next, the YouTube railway channel TH gives us a drone construction update on the stretch of track between Nakhon Pathom and Nom Pla Lai. Followed by I Love Siam on Facebook, posting a video showing the Bangkok to Ayutthaya steam train flying down the tracks, and I've mentioned this train in previous videos. And finally, Hua Hin Today brings us a story about the expansion and upgrade of Chomsin Road, also called Soi 70. You'll see the widening of the road west of the train tracks in today's video, but now we know work will continue all the way down the hill to the traffic light at Pechkasem Road. This is my old neighborhood, and I applaud any efforts to get the traffic here moving smoothly. Okay, let's get flying. Just before we wrap up, I want to thank my Patreons, Peter Bouvier and Puppy, for their support. We also just popped over 2,000 subscribers, which is quite a nice milestone for my little channel. All support is greatly appreciated. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I see that 81% of the viewers aren't subscribed. Please do, as it does help the YouTube algorithm. Take care and see you next time.